Okay, you guys who are in 8A know that I wrote this wrong on my first one, so I'm having to do it over. You won't get to see the wrong one, but boy, it was a lot different than this one. So anyway, rewrite these things. 3x minus y equals negative 9, and 2x plus 4y equals 8. Now, I mentioned in class to you guys that I'm always looking for the number that, or for the variable who doesn't have anything in front of it. Okay? And you see that y there, it is negative, so I'm going to have to deal with that. But I don't have to divide by a number, because when I do that, sometimes I wind up with fractions, and it always works, but it may be just a little harder. So I am going to subtract 3x from both sides here, and I'm going to be left with negative y is equal to negative 3x minus 9. I'm going to divide everything by negative 1, and I'm going to get y is equal to 3x plus 9. Okay? Now I'm going to put a little line here, just keep my math separate so I don't get confused. And I'm going to put, when I start working this one, I'm going to get 2x plus 4 times, not y, but what y equals, 3x plus 9. Okay? Now, of course, I need to distribute first, and I'm going to get 12x, right? Positive 12x, positive 4 times 3x is positive 12x. And then plus 36, and I just bring down my 2x here, equals 8. I'm going to combine these like terms, and I'm going to get 14x plus 36 is equal to 8. And then I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides to get that 14x by itself. So now I've got 14x equals negative 28. I'm going to divide by 14 to get the x by itself and get x equals negative 2. Now, I always end with a little equation that tells me what the other variable I'm missing is. So it says y equals 3 times whatever x is. In this case, it'll be negative 2 plus 9. So I just come back over here and I plug it in. Y is equal to 3 times negative 2 plus 9. Y is equal to negative 6. See? You see? Y is equal to negative 6 plus 9. Y is equal to 3. So my point where these two lines intersect are negative 2, 3. Guys, remember, this is x and y, and it's always alphabetical. Sometimes we'll have equations that don't have x and y. Maybe they'll have a and b, or s and t, or p and q. But what you always know is that the variables are always written in alphabetical order. So if you have p and q, put the value for p first and then the value for q second. All right, good job, guys.